first I want to say I'm really excited to be partnered with Acme Tools. It's going to give me an opportunity to work with some of the best tools out there. And if you need tools, I hope that you'll check out my Acme Tool store. I'll have a link in the description below. There you'll find top quality name brand tools, and it's a great way to support the show. So I'm really excited about the new Kapex. I am not going to review it because I just started using it, but I have to tell you, it's a pleasure to work with. Just for the few cuts that I've made, it's just nice. And the dust collection, I'm looking forward to making some furniture with this saw. I was really happy that the saw fit into the opening of the workbench here. All I had to do was raise it up 1/2 inch with the 1/2 inch plywood. Right now the vacuum is off to the right of the bench. It's probably not going to stay there. I may end up even putting it in this cabinet or building another cabinet for it. So a lot of exciting things to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Before you start your next project, click on the link in the description below for my professional woodworking plans, and follow me on Instagram to see what I'm working on today.